So I just finished styling my primary bedroom at the Cottage, and I'm really excited because I recently collaborated with Boll & Branch that I have loved for many years, and now I have this opportunity to show you guys their products and what they're all about. One of the best features of this company is the fact that they're high quality bed sheets. And what does that give you? That gives you life-lasting products. And with each wash of these bed sheets, they just get more and more gorgeous and softer as you use them. The investment you're putting into the product, you're actually getting something that is gonna last you over time. And it won't wear out and it won't fuzz up, because all it's gonna do is it's just gonna get better with age. So what I've always done is the pieces that I ordered from them was always the simple version signature bed sheets. But with this collaboration, I decided to step out of the box and I got the signature embroidered bed sheets, which are perfect for my principal room because I feel like the colors work so well with the rest of the house. And it adds a little bit of definition to your bed. So it's not like everything is white. You have the beautiful gray lines going through, and they come in many different colors. So you can even switch it up with the season. If you feel like it's summer, you want to do something light and bright and colorful, you can do that. For the fall, you can go in the deeper colors, or you can just keep it as the classic white. And they do actually have white on this too. But again, because I wanted to show you guys the beautiful detail on these bed sheets, I decided to go with the stone finish so that you can see what this beautiful design is all about. The other piece that I got from them that I never had before was the waffle blanket. And I love this. This is in a king size and it kind of just drapes over. I love to layer my bed. We have here the fitted sheet at the very bottom. Then we have the regular bed sheet over top, which I've layered over just so that I can see the nice line going through. Then we have the duvet cover, which is also beautiful, and it also has the beautiful line going through. I ordered 4 of the king size pillowcases, which are kind of a different print, where you see this one has the line going on the side, and this one is framed, which will sit in front so you can see the beautiful details. And I have that in the front. Then I draped it all over with the quilted blanket, which is perfect because it matches the stone color on the bed sheets. And voila guys, this is my principal room. I love this bedding. If you guys are interested, go on their website. They have a limited time offer, so it's only for a certain amount of time. Don't forget to use our discount code SANAZ15 and you get 15% off of your purchase. Don't forget, this is the signature embroidered set. It comes in different colors. If you like it with the lines, order this one, or you know, whatever. They come in solids, they come in different colors and different prints. I like this one because I feel like it's timeless, it's classic, and it works with my bedroom, but see what works with yours. Oh my goodness. Ali, this looks amazing.
Oh my God, I can't wait to show you. Come on down, baby.
It's a little chilly out. Wow, hey Claude.
Hey.
How's it going? Oh wow.
Yeah, it looks gorgeous.
What a difference. It's like night and day.
Huge difference. And what a good color you picked, honestly.
The cocoa?
Cocoa by Sansin. I mean, look at it. It just covers everything.
I mean, guys, we're not sponsored by this product. We just wanted to really talk about them and show you guys this product because we found it to be phenomenal. And just by our own personal experience,
For sure.
we wanted to tell you guys it's really amazing. I mean, look at the
The difference?
before and after.
So I think they used black before, and Claudio and his crew were kind enough to sand this thing down literally to the bones.
Claudio.
And,
this has been like a pretty intense project, I would say, right?
Yeah, but it's coming out really nice.
Come out really nice. I love this.
Okay, let me show you. in this area, it's already finished. So apply 2 coats of the stain. Okay, yes. And not only gives you this great look, it kind of protects your wood against the elements.
Right.
Okay, I wanted to get this done this part of the year so that when winter comes, you're fully protected, right? Let me show you further.
I think this was a great idea because it really warmed up the house as well. Just made it extra charming.
Yeah, I mean, once he does the pillars and posts out of this cocoa color, the contrast is going to be there, and it's even going to pop more of the finishes.
Look at this. I can't believe this.
Yes.
So we had these chairs specially made for us by a local woodworking company. So they made us these lounge chairs and we got them in the white cedar.
We did. It's a select cedar, 2 different styles. You picked 8 for the back and 2 for the front.
Yes.
And they were kind enough to make it as fast as possible for us because we were on a time crunch and it was hard making it that quick for us. So thanks, guys. And
so
yes,
we were debating about the stain color. So you can see here, this is in the natural finish, this is untouched, and then we have the Claudio finish with the cocoa sandsin on this chair. So all of our chairs are going to be in this stain color,
yes,
which I think is beautiful, and it's also, as Ali said, going to protect the wood through the winter months.
For sure.
Right?
Through the elements, and I mean, we're going to keep them all outside, right? So
I love this, and I think it matches so nicely. I mean, sitting beside the lodge here, it just looks really...
Again, this was, as you said, cocoa, which is the same as the posts and the railings. And
but I feel like it looks darker here. Is this because of the wood finish, the wood material? Because I know the different species of wood give off different tones and colors.
Correct.
So that's cedar, but this is
also
like
cedar, and the only difference is in this scenario, this was fresh. So brand new wood, never stained, and it took the stain differently than the post, for example, because they had a black stain here before. We sanded it down, but the undertone is still there. That's why you see a little bit of a difference between the two.
Because I feel like this one's darker, but again, this one is gonna lighten up like this.
So I have a suggestion. If you like that finish, we can do a second coat on these and it will match 100%.
Well, this is only 1 coat, and I do feel like we need 2 coats on them. Sorry, Claudio.
That's okay, no problem.
Okay, that can get
10
done.
more chairs to go.
Another thing I wanted to show you guys is the detached garage portion of our cottage where everything is already done. So you can see exactly how the stain dried up, 2 coats, and God, I love it.
Looks
amazing. What do you think?
Yeah, it looks
came
amazing.
out really nice.
Yeah.
Come on by, let me show you. I wish you could show your viewers the before and after shot of this detached garage, because when we first got this place, oh my God, we had mold, and I would say up to about here it was literally black. It was weathered for 10 years and never treated. We came across a product which I would love to show you guys. This product was a lifesaver. Again, as Sanaz said, we're not sponsored by this company, but this is my experience, and it saved us so much time and effort because literally it stripped down the entire facade, and then we got to sand it down and stain it again.
Are we going to show them how this is done? Because
yes,
that's the exciting part. I feel like seeing it all come into play and motion and seeing it all foam up. It's just so exciting.
For sure. Almost 90% of the building is done, but there's a space. We kept the place in the back that's getting done right now, and I would love to show you how this product works. All right, Claudio already started it.
Claudio hard at work.
Beautiful.
Looks awesome already. Oh my goodness. So let's explain this product a little bit, go into more detail about how it's transformed our lives.
Well, it literally saved us a lot of time. We wanted to strip down the old finish on all the logs all around the house, and I came across this product. It is a 2-step solution. What it does, Sanaz, it puts oxygen to work for you basically, and it brings down all the dirt and grime and all the old stain.
And I'm seeing that already. Already you see the discoloration coming into the foam.
For sure.
Right?
So you have to spray it generously, let it soak for about 5-10 minutes, and then after that you brush it with a plastic brush and you rinse it off. And most importantly,
So you apply, brush, and then rinse?
and then
Oh, okay.
and most importantly, this is an environmentally friendly product, so you can let it wash off to your garden and it's absolutely no problem.
Okay.
You see, as he's spraying it, within minutes oxygen starts activating, and by it foaming up, it brings all your old stain that was put into it literally right off the wall. And you can also use this product on concrete, cement,
That
on
was
any
my next
surface.
question. So it's not just for wood. You can use it.
You
on
can use it
different
on multiple
okay.
surfaces.
Okay.
Yeah, and the fact that it's really user-friendly, environmental-friendly, you can have it anywhere.
So essentially what we're doing is we're stripping the wood, like cleaning the wood.
You're stripping
Right.
the old stain and all
Right.
that dirt and grime out,
Right.
and then you're washing it off, and then your beautiful new stain can be put on.
Okay.
I would
and then, so
suggest
you're
you-
preparing it for a fresh new coat of stain, just to revamp, refreshen the surface, whatever the surface
Correct.
that is. Yeah.
Correct. You let it sit for a few days, I would say a day or two for it to fully dry up, and then you apply your stain.
So these are the last of the chairs that are being stained.
Yes. So Claudia did the two in the front. You still have a choice if you want to change the stain color on these. You can still go with cocoa if you want. Or...
I like cocoa. I just feel like maybe do two stains.
Okay.
Do two coats,
Okay.
just so that it's a little bit darker.
more finished.
Right?
Yes, sure.
Love these. Fantastic chairs, so comfortable.
They're so comfortable.
Especially by the fire.
Absolutely. No, for sure. Luckily, you picked two different styles. So one is more loungy for
Yeah.
the front, and this is more firm, and
Yes.
it sits better with our uneven backyard landscape. I
No,
love
they're
them.
super comfortable. I mean, we've had some nights sitting here around the fire doing
Kids love the marshmallows.
Yeah. doing a bonfire, s'mores.
Comfortable?
I love it. Like, this is the place for me to be lounging all the time. And I want to have
Absolutely.
two over there by the dock, because now that our shoreline is clean.
Can't wait for you to show
we-
everyone what
yeah,
we've done over there.
I know, let's go have a look.
Come.
I feel like finally, after a few months of hard work, we can finally enjoy this beautiful shoreline that we have. Until now, we haven't been able to use it as much because obviously there was so much seaweed and buildup throughout the years. So it hadn't been harvested by the previous homeowners. So when we took possession, one of our first goals was to get this water cleaned. And Ali has spent quite a bit of time with his trades getting the lake ready for the kids to be able to swim and actually enjoy what's left of the summer.
Well, you remember when we first took over the place, you literally couldn't see the bottom of the lake. It was all filled with seaweed and muck. So, you know, I made a few phone calls, tried to find somebody local, and I came across this company, Clean Water, and Andreas, the gentleman that owns the company, was kind enough to come here and explain the whole scenario to us. And he sent his crew actually in the water with a blower, and they tried to clean as much as they could. Took about a day and a half, and after that we got a thruster, which I'm going to show you what it is. It's actually it's called Aqua Thruster. It's a 1 horsepower motor that I could show you. This thing is a lifesaver. Believe it or not, it pushes algae, seaweed, and muck about 150 feet away from our shoreline.
So we take it from ours and we put it in the neighbors, pretty much.
In the beginning, yes. In the beginning, I did do that, but quickly I got the attention of the whole neighborhood. And now they're all going to get this machine. My neighbor on the left came out immediately and he's like, okay, Ali, help me out. What is this? I showed him around, so he ordered one. And, you know, what do you know? Soon the whole lake is going to be
Soon
clean.
we're going to take over the whole lake.
Yeah, because honestly, this product works. Again, we're not sponsored by this company. This is our own experience. After about, I would say, a week of oscillating it left and right, trying to clean different depths of the water, we can finally see the bottom of the lake.
And now we have fish
Yes.
that we can see swimming around.
I tried sitting up here fishing for hours and I couldn't get anything. all you could see is little turtles swimming away. And that's because they couldn't even swim close to our shoreline because of all the long seaweed. But now at nighttime, oh, you see schools of fish swimming around. It is just so much nicer because our kids can actually enjoy this beautiful waterfront. We got over 120 feet of waterfront that needed love. And again, this machine helped us a lot. It comes with a little remote control, so you could literally stand up in the balcony and control it. I did order a automatic oscillator, but you know, as you know, due to COVID, everything is back ordered.
So what does the automatic oscillator do?
So this thing is going to be sitting on a machine that's Wi-Fi enabled. And what it does is, instead of us coming here from time to time and moving the direction of the jets, it does it automatically. So you can actually, you know, sit up there with your phone and have the machine move left and right. So on a Thursday, before you even come to the cottage, from your house, you can set it up, get the water cleaned up. So when you get here, the kids can literally jump in the water.
Right. It's nice and ready. And the whole purpose of the oscillator is that when it's pushing in one direction, all the seaweed goes in that one direction.
Correct.
When you put it on the oscillator, you're kind of spreading it out, and you're going to have like a diameter of clean water, and all the seaweed is kind of
about at least 150
outside.
foot of,
Right. I love that.
Clean
Yeah.
area around us.
So whoever has lakefront, is on a lakefront, has a cottage, this machine is definitely something that you would like to invest in, because it's going to save you time, a lot of money throughout, just getting different harvesters to come in and clean.
For sure.
Right?
I mean, if you have it, it's a thing that you're going to use all the time. I mean, you start early in the season, you start cleaning the bottom, you make your way up, and what do you know, by you know, May, June, you have a clean beach area.
We've been so busy with the filming, we forgot we have to feed people. Let's get the grill going and start the barbecue. Thank you guys for tuning in. It's been a busy day, and I'm glad that you guys could join us because we had a lot of information to share with you, our favorite products, and a collaboration. So don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to the channel because we have a lot more content coming your way. And if you haven't already, check us out on Instagram at Style with Sanaz. And also, if you want to check on Ali's work, at Zarkon Homes. And we'll see you next time. Later.